You've got a project idea. You've got your team. You've even got your board set up. But here's the real challenge. How do you keep your users in the loop without overwhelming them? What if you could plan, align, and execute your project with complete clarity and still stay connected to your audience needs? Well, you can. Fluent Roadmap is a visual planning tool that turns project management into a collaborative experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to WPManageNinja. I'm Ishika, and in today's video, we're diving deep into Fluent Roadmap, a game changing add on that takes your Fluent Board setup to the next level. Let's be real. Project communication can get messy. Clients ask for updates, teams lose track, and everyone's wondering what's happening next. But what if your planning board could also act as a roadmap? One that's clear, visual, and even interactive. That's exactly what Fluent Roadmap does. It bridges your internal task management with your client's expectations. So now you're not just managing work behind the scenes, you're showing the bigger picture on the front end too. And the best part, you don't need to install anything extra. If you've got Fluent Boards Pro, you're already set. Just install Fluent Roadmap and you're good to go. All right, let's get started. If you've used Fluent Boards before, this will feel familiar. What you have to do is go over here to your dashboard. Can you see Add Board? Yeah, this one. And then give it a name. And a quick description. Now, right under the description, you'll see a little checkbox. Convert this board into a roadmap. Let's click it. And boom, we are now working with a roadmap board. By the way, if Fluent Roadmap is not installed, this option will not be available. As you can see, it'll ask you to define your stages. So let's go ahead and name them based on how our project flows. Maybe planning, in development, testing, and launched. Once it's done, just hit save. And as you can see, our roadmap is live. Now that our board's ready, let's explore some powerful features that make this more than just a to-do list. Like Fluent Boards, you get the full power of customization, like stages, tasks, deadlines, assignees, all of it. But Fluent Roadmap adds something extra: stage visibility control. Let's say you're working on a feature that's still in beta. You can easily hide that stage from public view. How, you may ask? Just go to the stage settings and click the Make the Stage Admin Only button. Now the general users won't see the stage as it is hidden from the public view. That's it. Instant privacy for in-progress items. The rest of the settings are mostly similar to the general Fluent Board settings, starting from creating tasks to tweaking everything inside the task. Everything is the same. Even the viewing of the boards to filtering out certain stages or tasks. See? Okay, so you've got two ways to share your roadmap. First way is to embed it into a page with a shortcode. All I have to do is copy the shortcode and paste it in a specific predefined page. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. Now, go here and paste the shortcode, and now let's preview it. See? The roadmap is here. Now, the second way is to copy the dedicated link and share it anywhere, maybe in emails or in chats or even on your website's main menu. The members or users will easily land in the project board. Isn't that awesome? Now, here's where things get super exciting. Your roadmap isn't just a passive display, it's interactive. Your users can log in, view the roadmap, and suggest features or changes directly. Let's log in as a user and try it out. So let's go ahead and log in. Okay, it's so simple and easy to put suggestions. Let's see by doing that. See? Every suggestion lands neatly in your backend, and the users can even upvote ideas. That's so cool. So, no more guessing what your users want. The most requested features literally rise to the top. See? This kind of engagement helps you prioritize your development work with confidence. It's like your clients are helping you build a product without ever touching your backend. This is sleek. Okay, so with Fluent Roadmap, you're not just ticking off tasks, you're giving your entire team and client base a bird's eye view of your project and progress. See how it is so clean, visual, and collaborative? Everyone stays on track. Your clients stay informed, everything stays aligned. So, if you're ready to turn planning into progress and turn confusion into clarity, get started with Fluent Roadmap today. Because building better products isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Fluent magic right here on WP Manage Ninja. See you in the next one.